Bokin means baker in Basque. We are a family-run business founded in 1994. Today, we are the leading manufacturers of frozen rustic breads in Spain and southern France. We have a production capacity of 90,000 metric tons, with our 5 fully automated lines greatly developed by our own engineering department. From our very beginning, we have tirelessly looked for new ways of doing things, often becoming pioneers in our own industry. We are committed to healthy, affordable bread. In this sense, the clean label philosophy that we pioneered in Spain allows us to produce healthy products. And at the same time, our ultra-modern facilities allow us to produce them very efficiently. As a small but ambitious business, we seek startup partners with the technology to take us to the next level. We are interested in big data, Internet of Things, robotics, and more specifically for our industry, rheology monitoring. We look forward to opening our doors to young entrepreneurs like you and hopefully learn from you and teach you something too.